How to fix ChatGPT voice conversation not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the ChatGPT application on your device and then tap on the two lines on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on your name at the bottom you see there and then tap on the personalization option and further tap on the customize ChatGPT option you see there. Now scroll down and you will see the advanced drop down. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the advanced voice mode toggle button and then tap on the save button. Now, go ahead and restart your app, and after restarting your app, go ahead and again toggle on the advanced voice mode toggle button and see if your issue is fixed or not, as this often restores voice functionality temporarily. If not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further scroll down and navigate to ChatGPT and then tap on the offload app option. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the app data and cache. See if your issue was fixed or not, and if not, then make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then go ahead and switch between networks. That is, if you were using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you were using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi, and your issue should have been fixed by now. Also, beware of general bug reports in forums, as voice feature cutting out on Mac apps, possibly due to sound permission or app conflicts. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix ChatGPT voice conversation not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.